Hey Percy, how's it going?
Doing good, Thomas. I gotta deliver the mail super duper fast.
Whoa, are you sure? Because Kana can deliver the mail way faster than you.
Pa, you will see, Thomas. I can be just as quick as Kana.
I don't think you have full tires, Percy. What if you derail off the tracks?
I'll be fine, Gordon. Don't worry.
Okay, if you say so.
I'm sure you can beat Kana's deliveries way faster than the rest of the day, Percy.
Don't worry, Thomas. I will. Stop!
What have you caught yourself racing so fast, Percy?
Bruno, I am so sorry. I almost crashed into you. Luckily, I didn't.
Yeah, that would be super unlucky. And by the way, Percy, where are you going?
To Kirk Ronan. I gotta deliver the mail there.
Okay, Percy, but remember to keep a slow pace.
I'll try. I'm not gonna go slow. I gotta go fast. Oh, no. Hi, ladies. Can you speed up for one little second?
We cannot do that, Percy. Thomas has to do that, right, Clarabelle? Yes, Annie. Thomas has to do the speedy part. Do you understand, Thomas?
Yes, indeed.
Of course he does not. He doesn't understand anything. We do not want to speed up.
I'll just go another way then.
Hey Percy, sorry about earlier.
That's okay, Thomas. I'm fine now. I'm just upset I'll never beat Kana in her deliveries today.
Well, good news for you, Percy, is that Kana hasn't come back yet.
Wait, what? Really?
Yeah, Kana is still in Vickerstown finishing her last bits of her delivery.
So I did beat Kana in her deliveries. After all that crap, I had pushed through.
Yeah, Percy, I know.
Percy, how was your day?
Was good, Gordon.
That's good, Percy. I better be off now.
Okay, Gordon, see you later.
Good night.
Good night, Thomas.
Percy, I saw you beating Kana in a race today.
Yeah, I know, Bruno. Now, why is everyone asking me about that?
Oh, okay.
I don't want to talk about it to anyone. I know that I won the delivery race, but no one has to keep saying that I won. I'm gonna enjoy the sunset.
Bye, Percy, I guess.